Welcome to Cần Thơ, Vietnam. I think that's the biggest fish I've seen in my life. What is here? The sunflower. We made our way to Cần Thơ in the Mekong Delta. I think many backpackers stop here because it's a wonderful town that is known for the floating market. We are waiting for check-in, and in the meantime we rented a scooter, and on the recommendation of our host, she has many recommendations that are pretty interesting. This is a organic farm slash restaurant where you can have some nice dishes and coffee and whatnot. So we are checking it out. Hello. Coming in here, you see a lot of interesting products already. Fruits, a little shop with seeds. Hello.
It's a farm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a farm growing vegetables and some other fruits.
Mm-hmm.
And then we made some other eating services.
Okay, we will eat something later.
Using the fruits and the vegetables we grow there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a big fish. Look at this fella. Well, I think that's the biggest fish I've seen in my life. Here's a little restaurant where you can have some local made dishes. I imagine this is a fish pond.
This is the price for one fish, 5,000 for one fish. So I think you can even catch your own fish if you want to.
You cannot see him, the water's not clear. Here's a little fella waiting for some food, but
I think it is.
yeah, we're going to feed ourselves first, but let's check out the farm first so we know where the vegetables come from. And then here we have all the different crops. This is some salad. I think a lot of water daily goes in this. They have an irrigation system built in. Many of these plants I know because my mother-in-law is an avid gardener and she grows a lot of these vegetables by herself. So Ploy, I think this will be paradise for you. Hi guys. And some roosters. Wow, these are some big chickens. Look at that. They're wearing like spaceman suits.
Oh my god. The middle one is huge.
Oh yeah. More chickens. A lot of special chickens. Hello. Oh, it's really nice here. Another pond. Are those lotus flowers?
Actually.
And they're open. Aren't they supposed to be closed right now?
They're not supposed to be closed, but normally around this hour, I think, what time is it? It's 11. So I think it's early enough for them to open up, because I think around 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it gets too hot and then they close up.
Wow, what is that? That is huge.
It looks like okra, but it isn't because it's too big.
I think that
Cucumber.
that wears about, that one is even bigger. Would that be cucumber? That's the biggest cucumber type vegetable I've seen in my life. I think that concludes our little organic garden tour. Now we'll try some food out, have some coffee. It's pretty nice to see because Vietnam is like a real coffee culture. Everywhere you go you see like tons of coffee shops. If you're walking around at night, even like at 11 p.m. for example, they're still having like cups of coffee by the 10. So I think they're so used to it, they're able to sleep throughout the night. So yeah, a lot of coffee shops here, which is pretty amazing. So we're going to try some coffee as well, and tea maybe.
So we both just ordered Bango. It's a crispy pancake made with rice flour and also turmeric. That's where it gets its color from. I think it depends. Sometimes it's filled with pork, sometimes it's filled with shrimp, sometimes it's filled with vegetables. However you want to order it. We just ordered Bango, so it's a surprise of what we will get. I think it will be served together with like a fish sauce or something to dip in, and together with that we also ordered 2 iced coffees. I hope. I think we did.
So here's a pancake. It's full of seafood, fish. I saw some shrimp and fish there. Then we have a variety of vegetables, actually like a whole lot of vegetables. I don't know what everything is, but here is a leaf. We got some nice dip sauce with chilies in it. It doesn't look like much, but it's actually pretty amazing. It's spicy.
The name originates from the sound that the pancake makes when it comes to the hot pan. So it's a sizzling sound that it makes.
then take a leaf.
Leaf. Smells like
Nice combination.
pandan or just like coconut inside it as well, yeah. So, eat the leaf. Cheers.
I'm just going to eat the outer
Really
layers
nice.
first.
Really, really nice.
That's like a mixture of pork, I think. Pork, shrimp.
Pork, shrimp, and vegetables.
Yeah.
Or is it beef? I'm not sure. No, it's pork.
I like this. I really love this pancake. In Europe, we usually eat like all the sweet stuff. We put like chocolate, peanut butter, sugar, brown sugar, all kinds of sweet stuff on it.
Sometimes it's a bit savory, then they would put cheese on top of it,
Yeah.
but it's not really that common.
But not like with turmeric and then seafood. I'm really excited to get to the inside of the pancake because that's where the party is getting started. So let's open this baby up. So we have a lot of vegetables. I'm gonna just get a little bit of this, or a lot, because I really like a lot of dip. Make a little bite-sized piece.
Take a piece of vegetable as well.
I'll try and put this in my mouth first. Okay, because it's a lot. Here we go.
Is it good?
There's some soy sprouts as well.
Soy sprouts, yeah.
Oh, it's actually the vegetables have like a spring roll flavor.
Ooh.
It's like a spring roll mixture, like nice and crispy. I didn't get any meat yet. Yeah, it really has, also with the sauce, really reminds me of like a fresh spring roll with like some sweet chili sauce. Let me get a leaf. Today we are half vegetarian.
Is it good?
It's a nice combination. Because these have a lot of flavor. Yep, I like it. Then we try some tea.
Well, coffee
There's
tea.
still a bottom of coffee in it. Yeah, the tea has a little coffee back taste now. A proper back
I mean,
taste.
what do you want?
It's still nice and refreshing. I like in Vietnam, half of the time you go for dinner or lunch somewhere, you get some free tea all the time. You don't even have to ask for
a lot,
it.
so that's really nice.
That's a lot. If I have to pay like a little bit for that, I would gladly do it because I'm not even sure we can finish this.
No, but that's good because I'm thirsty again.
Let's get feasting.
Let's get feasting. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a piece of the lettuce or the wasabi lettuce. I'm going to dip that into the sauce.
All right.
Put that on top of my food.
I wish you a lot of luck to do that elegantly. I really like a lot of this dip. I just like the spiciness.
I think it's like
I wanna
a chili,
drain.
lime, fish sauce type of sauce, and then they put carrots inside it as well, I think.
I love these kinds of dip sauces, you know, I can never get enough of them.
And radish, I think this
And then
as well.
just normal leaf. Today we're eating healthy. With our
Organic.
hands.
Okay guys, we're going to devour this food and enjoy our time here.
But yeah, what's the verdict?
The verdict is very, very positive. Our bellies are very full. We actually both didn't expect us to be this full because the plate came and we were like, is that enough? But we were like barely finishing it. But we are able to finish everything.
It's
as you can see,
finished.
it's devoured. And it was
This
very
is not
good.
finished.
Yo, it's a lot of vegetables. We ate a lot of vegetables, but yeah,
It's still healthy for you.
it's still healthy for me.
Still healthy for you. So later on we'll be going to McDonald's and have some hamburgers. No, we won't.
No, we're refusing.
We're refusing. Only local food in Vietnam. Let's make that promise. Alright guys, we're going to pay for our dinner, have a little last look around the little shop that we saw before, but more in detail, take the motorcycle and then check into our hotel.